Hey, good evening, everyone. My name is Daryl Poe, and I'm with the Monterey cohort. This is EDOL 722, Assignment 3.1, Danger of the Single Story. And I would like to share my experience of the danger of a single story. I have to admit, I was really blown away by the video. Blown away in a way that I really loved it. Because I had a personal connection, and I'm sure that the rest of you also probably going to have or had a personal connection as well. The way Chimamanda shared her stories, I began to reflect and I thought about two, you know, stories for me, that I can relate to. The first one was, I remember that, I was 19 years old and I was contemplating, new direction in life. I didn't know what to do because, um, I come from an impoverished neighborhood. Wasn't too much there going on, and I know I want to venture out and do something. So I was looking for a vehicle, and the vehicle I found was the Army. And I remember when I came home, I was telling my families and friends about, I joined the Army and I'll be leaving out and shipping out in about a couple of months. And I remember the feedback I got, you know, people were telling me, you don't want to go in the Army. The Army's all white. There are no blacks there, or very few blacks there, and the blacks have the lowest of the jobs. And so, but the good thing is that I did not listen to them fully. It was in the back of my mind. I will have to tell you that honestly, yes. So when I shipped out, it was in the back of my mind saying, okay, what am I going to experience? Or what am I going to see or what? But when I got to basic training, I was blown away. I saw people from all different races, ethnicity, background. It was like diversity galore. So in immediately I reflect on what those people in my neighborhood were telling me. And I would say, had I really adopted, their full assessment or their view of what the Army, knowing that they probably never even served or even never left the neighborhood like I did. Um, but you know what? It's a great thing. I did not listen to them and fall victim to, having a single story of what the Army's like. And the second occurrence or the second experience I had was after I finished my advanced school in the Army. I chose that I wanted to go to Europe. I wanted to be stationed in Europe for my permanent party assignment. And in the country I wanted to be stationed in Europe was Germany. And I remember when I came home, telling the same family members and friends that, after a successful completion of basic training and my advanced schooling, uh, I'm going to Germany, I'm going to Europe. And some of these same people, they began to tell me something similar about what they said about the Army. They were telling me, you do not want to go to Germany. That's a bad choice. The German people there are loyal to Hitler. They hate blacks. You made a bad mistake. And so once again, I begin to thinking about what they're saying. But however, I didn't really fully uh, accept what they're saying because I thought about they told me this in basic training and it wasn't true. But however, it was in my mind. I have to honestly tell you that. And so when I got to Germany, oh, let me tell you, it was like a fairy tale. I was blown away. Not only uh, at the time did Germans like Americans, but they actually love African Americans. I was blown away. I was treated like royalty. Um, Basically, I'm on like having a red carpet rolled out. So I had a blast. I had a wonderful time. It's like being in the fairy tale land, and I loved it so much. I was in Germany twice. I met my wife. My wife is German. So, but again, had I listened to them, I would have fallen victim and only had a myopic perception of what the Army is and what Germans are like. But so in ending, I would like to paraphrase one of Chimamanda quotes when she said, when we reject the single story, we regain our serenity. And I can honestly tell you, I'm a living proof of that I have gained my serenity. So once again, my name is Darrell Poe, the Monterey cohort. Thank you.